Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Jodie Jordan and I sell and demonstrate Stampin' Up! Products. If you're interested in any of the projects or if you need a demonstrator, there is a shop link below in the description. In this video, I'm going to be making a cute tea favor, and the bundle that I'm using it in the catalog is called Cup of Tea Bundle. And the designer series paper that I'm using is called Tea Boutique. If you purchase the bundle, then you can save 10%, which the bundle is going to be the stamp set and the dies that cut the images out. In the beginning of the video, I measured 1 inch and I scored it, and then I measured another inch and I cut it. Now I left it long for a reason, because everyone uses different size bags. Inside the catalog, we actually have a 5 3/4 by 4 3/8. They're envelopes is what they are. They're clear envelopes, and they will absolutely work for this project. They're on page 137 of the catalog, and you get 50 to a pack, so that's a pretty good deal. But like I said, everybody uses different sizes. I've had, I do these for craft fairs, so I buy them in bulk. So I left the measurement off, and at the end you can just cut it off. Once you know what size bag you're making, then you can, obviously make that first cut, and then from 1 6x6 piece of paper, you'll be able to make 3 of the top part of the project, and you'll see when we get to the end and use the topper part of the bag. This is such a cute. I've made several projects with this suite, and honestly, the ladies that I'm on the team with, they have come up with some really cute and creative ideas, not just for cards, but scrapbook pages and 3D projects. And this is a really good basic kind of I would say set to have, especially if you're a tea, if you do things like this, like a tea favor, or these are great for stocking stuffers. You can sell them at craft fairs. This is one of my best sellers at my craft fair. And it's easy and simple to put together. Now, you don't have to do the extra that I'm doing here to heat emboss it or any of that. You can just stamp it and it'll still look just as cute. Or some of the ladies aren't even using this little grassy stuff to come out of the cup. They're using another stamp set with flowers. I think it's the Bottle of Happiness, maybe. I don't know. Everything's new now, so I'm not really good with the names of everything yet. But yeah, if you are interested in any of these projects, I'm going to put a shop link below, and I will also do a project sheet, and it's going to list all the items that I've used. You'll be able to click on it and go straight to the store. Because the dies right here that I'm using for the Just For You is actually from another bundle. I can't even remember. It's the one with the great big ocean wave, which is another one I can't wait to make something from. But I wanted to talk to you guys while we're making this really quick. If you're interested in joining Stampin' Up!, or if you think you're going to spend, over $100 on supplies, then right now Stampin' Up! Is having a join bonus where you can join my team and you get a lot of free stuff this time. Like this is what I was talking about, you can cut off the end. You can get lots of free stuff. Like right now they're offering for $99, you can get $125 in product of your choice, and then addition you get $65 of in color stuff, which is you get five brand new in color ink pads, and those are like I think $9 a piece or something like that. And then you get a whole pack of cardstock. You get the new in color designer series paper and some grid paper to, like a scratch paper to, make a mess on instead of making a mess on your table. So that is an excellent deal. That's, you're only paying $99 and it's free shipping. And listen, being part of the group of girls that I'm with, they are so much fun, and we do card challenges, and you can win prizes, and it's just lots of fun. So if anyone is interested, please, there will be a join link below, and join my team. I'd love to have you. Here I'm just showing how I bagged up my catalogs for everyone. And again, if you need a catalog and you want to request one, and you can just email me at theblueeyedcrafter.com and let me know, and I'll get that in the mail for you. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Bye-bye.